Well, today's project is to connect the south side of the orchard to the main irrigation system. Intermediate step, a leftover 6-inch PVC pipe from the flag project. Backfilled and compacted. Just added a thin layer of compacted sand to make a nice flat smooth bottom.